people did not see him for what he is. They thought that he's a good man, ngubaba. But they see now, there's nothing ngubaba. Ubaba will dish you like you don't exist. And even those who have even followed him, he will deal with them like that. And worst of all, he drafted a constitution that empowers him and him alone. So he can't give us a lecture about democracy and all of that. So he gave himself powers in order to deal with everyone. Mosilapana ugotwa ekseni nje. Uvuka nje udibana ne-letter ku-internet umkile. Whoever is appointed as a secretary has got a serious job to expel people. Angayibone ka Floyd exosha abantu, but I'm sure he's coming. If ayizuxosha yena, he led. But yes.